Hi friends, welcome to all in my channel English with Tej. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. So I hope you all are doing well. So I am going to talk in this video on a very big topic, very special topic, that how to improve your English speaking. What are the key things which you need to keep in your mind? Okay, how you can start if you're a beginner. If you are a very beginner, means you're not able to understand the English much. There are multiple types of the English learner. So there are the one who are actually not able to understand, okay, and then comes the English learner who are able to understand but they are not able to express their thoughts. Okay, the third one is they are able to understand properly, they are able to express the thought but not much, like they stuck when they are going to talk with anybody, they do not have a fluency. Okay, so this is a majorly three type of the English learner, okay, who I believe you all are here, that's why you are watching my videos. Okay, so first I want to talk the person who is a beginner and not able to understand English, okay, and how he can improve their skills, their spoken English. So how he can start, I am going to share the complete strategy here on this video. Before going ahead, I would request you, please like, subscribe my channel and do share this channel with your friends, okay, because I need subscriber so that I can bring best content for you. This content is a free, okay, and I want to help you to improve your English, because I know the pain when you are not knowing the English and you are going for the job. Even whatever degree you have, if you are BTech holder or whatever technical degree do you have, that doesn't matter. If you don't know the English, then your degree is not worth. No one is going to offer you a job. Okay, if you want to work in MNCs, you want to make career, then you must have a good knowledge of the English, where you can fluently talk without making any grammatical mistakes, flawless English. Okay, another important point is that whatever you're talking, okay, the pronunciation should be correct. There should not be MTI, mother tongue influence. So that is the very important key things when you are going to learn the English. First, you must have a good command in English grammar. Second, your vocab should be decent good, like you should have at least 1,000 or at least 2,000 vocabs in your mind. Okay, and the third one is you should have a basic knowledge of the grammar. Okay, and the fourth one I would say, that is whatever you are reading, okay, English, it should be correct. You should have the knowledge of the English sound. There should not be MTI, mother tongue. Otherwise, if you're going for the MNCs, international companies, so they will avoid you taking in the jobs. Okay, in domestic you're okay, they will accept you, but in international it becomes mandatory to speak standard English. Okay, so let's not take much time. Let's come to the point and I'll share how a beginner who is not able to understand English properly, how he can start, how he can improve their skills in English. Okay, so what you need to do first, nowadays there are a lot of content available. Okay, so you need to start watching the Hindi web series, or maybe the Indian web series which are dubbed in English, and you need to turn on the subtitle wherever you are watching on any platform like YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime or any other platform. Everywhere the subtitle is available, and make the video slow. Like if the video speed is 1, then make it 0.75 or make it half, 50%, reduce the speed 50% of the video, then start listening. Okay, it will help you to understand what they are talking in the video, and the same thing when you will read. Okay, this is the great start. The people who is beginner, who is not able to understand, and watch one half an hour video at least 5 times, then jump to the another video. This is big tips for you guys. So follow this for the beginner, then slowly and gradually you will be able to understand the English. This is the first step in your learning English journey. Second steps will be, once you start understanding the English, then start imitating them. Like whatever sentences are coming, just try to read with the person who is talking in the video. Maybe in the first go you would be not able to read correctly, or you would be late, the video is running fast, you are very not able to talk with the video. Then again you can make the video slow, reduce the video 50%. Okay, then try. If it is not happening, no problem, try again. After 3 tries, I'm damn sure, I'm pretty much sure you will be able to imitate with that person who's talking in the video. So this is a bonus tips for your great start for the people who's a beginner. Let's talk about the people who at least able to understand English, but they are not fluent. Whenever they are going to start talking, then they have to think, they're running out of the words what they should do. So whether you are a beginner or you are a fluent speaker, everyone has to listen English every day. If you are a beginner, then listen your own accent English, like Indian accent. If you are a fluent, then listen English the foreign accent, like British and American. So this is a very important. You do not have to leave this habit. Every day, at least half an hour, you have to listen the English very attentively. Put your all attention while listening. Okay, try to imitate them, how they are pronouncing the word. Okay, and learn the stress, intonation, all those things. So I'm going to talk about the second person who is more than a beginner, who's able to understand but not able to speak fluently. So for them, always listen half an hour English video and try to pay your attention how the person who is talking in the video pronouncing the word and intonation, and on which sentence he is stressing much. And the second steps, how you can speak the same. Imitation tricks is the most successful. And also try to talk with your own self by a mirror, and just sit in front of them and think the situation. You become, like if you are going to the hotel, then become the hotel manager and the customer, and try to think what situation may come arise and what talks they would be doing. So try to act this at least 3 to 4 times, so you will have an idea. And whatever places you stuck, note it down, just note it down in Hindi, then open Chat GPT and translate those in English, and try to memorize those sentences, and again become the agent and become the customer, and try to speak on that exactly the same situation. Then you will see you are doing better, you are doing well. And another things, as we all know, as much as you speak, your English will become very good. So if you are a beginner and if you are not able to speak English properly, if you're talking the people who is very fluent, then sometimes you feel very ashamed, under confidence. But if you're talking the people like you who's also learning, great you can say way to learn English, because both of you will not hesitate to talk if you're making mistakes. Even after that, okay, you will not lose your confidence. It will boost your confidence, it will boost your learning. So this is the tips which you need to follow. Okay, so thank you very much guys, you watched my video, and if you're still watching and you haven't liked the video as of now, please do like right now, share, subscribe, and we'll meet with you in next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.